The quest for the elusive work-life balance is a perennial topic, especially in today's fast-paced, digitally connected world. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how the demands of work can easily bleed into personal time, leading to burnout and decreased productivity in the long run. So, when evaluating a company like Scoro, a platform designed to streamline project management and professional services, it's natural to wonder, how do they fare in fostering a healthy work-life balance for their employees? This isn't just a feel-good metric. It's a crucial indicator of a company's sustainability, employee well-being, and ultimately, its success. A team that feels supported and has time for their personal lives is more likely to be engaged, creative, and committed. Let's delve into what contributes to work-life balance and then examine how Scoro, based on available information and industry insights, might approach this critical aspect. Understanding the pillars of work-life balance. Before we focus on Scoro specifically, it's essential to establish what constitutes a healthy work-life balance. It's not about perfectly splitting your day into equal parts work and life. Rather, it's about achieving a sense of equilibrium where you feel fulfilled and energized in both domains. Key elements that contribute to this balance include flexible work arrangements. This can encompass options like remote work, flexible hours, and compressed workweeks. The ability to manage one's schedule and work location can significantly reduce stress and allow for better integration of personal responsibilities. Reasonable workloads. Overwhelming employees with excessive tasks and unrealistic deadlines is a surefire way to erode work-life balance. A company that values its employees will ensure workloads are manageable and sustainable. Clear boundaries. Establishing and respecting boundaries between work and personal life is crucial. This includes encouraging employees to disconnect after work hours and respecting their time off. Supportive company culture. A culture that values well-being, encourages breaks, and promotes open communication about workload and stress levels plays a vital role. Time off and vacation policies. Adequate paid time off allows employees to recharge, pursue personal interests, and spend time with loved ones, preventing burnout. Technology that enables, not enslaves. While tools like Scoro are designed to improve efficiency, they shouldn't become a source of constant connectivity and pressure. The focus should be on using technology to streamline work within defined hours. Leadership that prioritizes well-being. When leaders model healthy work-life balance and actively support their team's well-being, it sets a positive tone for the entire organization. Scoro, a platform designed for efficiency, does it translate to balance? Scoro, at its core, is a business management software aimed at helping professional service firms optimize their workflows. It integrates project management, CRM, invoicing, reporting, and more into a single platform. The very nature of such a tool suggests a focus on efficiency and organization, which, if implemented thoughtfully, can contribute positively to work-life balance. Here's how Scoro's features and potential company culture might influence work-life balance for its employees. Potential positives. Streamlined processes. By centralizing project information, tasks, and communication, Scoro can potentially reduce administrative overhead and the feeling of being overwhelmed by disparate systems. This can free up time and mental energy for employees. Improved time management. Features like task management, time tracking, and scheduling can help individuals and teams better plan their work and allocate their time effectively. This can lead to more focused work sessions and a clearer understanding of deadlines, potentially reducing the need for excessive overtime. Enhanced transparency and communication. A unified platform can improve communication and transparency across teams. This can reduce misunderstandings, minimize unnecessary meetings, and ensure everyone is on the same page, leading to a more efficient and less stressful work environment. Data-driven insights for workload management. Scoro's reporting and analytics capabilities can provide insights into team workload and project progress. This data can help managers identify potential bottlenecks and redistribute tasks, or adjust deadlines to prevent individuals from being overburdened. Potential for remote work enablement. As a cloud-based platform, Scoro inherently supports remote work. This flexibility can be a significant contributor to work-life balance, allowing employees to better integrate their personal and professional lives. potential negatives, and how Scoro might mitigate them. The risk of always-on culture. While Scoro facilitates remote work, it also carries the risk of blurring the lines between work and personal life. Constant access to project updates and communication can tempt employees to stay connected beyond work hours. Mitigation. Scoro, as a responsible employer, would need to actively promote a culture of disconnecting after work hours and respect employees' time off. Clear guidelines on communication expectations outside of work hours are crucial. Intensified monitoring and pressure, time tracking features, while beneficial for project management, could be perceived as a form of constant monitoring if not implemented with trust and transparency. This could lead to increased pressure and anxiety. Mitigation. Scoro should emphasize the purpose of time tracking as a tool for project costing and resource allocation, not as a means of micromanaging employees. Open communication about how this data is used is essential. Implementation and training overload. Introducing a new comprehensive platform like Scoro can initially create a significant workload for employees as they learn the system and adapt their workflows. Mitigation. Scoro should invest in thorough onboarding and training programs, providing adequate support and resources to ensure a smooth transition and minimize initial stress. The tool becoming the master. There's a risk that the focus shifts too heavily to meticulously updating Scoro, potentially at the expense of actual work or personal time. Mitigation. Scoro should emphasize the platform as a tool to support work, not dictate it. Training should focus on using the features efficiently and effectively, without creating unnecessary administrative burden.